Good morning, everybody. Albert Steed, Chief Nerd at Advanced Computer Solutions, here with the Daily Nerds News. It's very exciting to be back to work on Monday after spending the entire weekend playing with my AI pals. They didn't really get, well, I guess we got something accomplished. I did build purchased and built a AI computer. It's next to me here, humming away. It's got a rather expensive but used graphics processing unit, or video card as I like to call them, because that's what they used to be called, that can do some AI stuff. So I did that. I would call it limited. I don't know if it's the hardware. I think it's the software. I'm running something called Open Llama. It does chat, and it chats really well. It chats really fast. It's about as dumb as a box of rocks. Doesn't seem to be capable of doing very much. But I haven't really, delved very deep into its capabilities. My goal here is I'm trying to learn for everybody how to bring your AI experience in-house for those who have problems with status security, or these big companies potentially using your information and profiting off of you, or just in general, you just don't like having stuff out on the web. So that's what I'm doing. It's been fun. It's not really closed any gaps for me yet, but we'll see. We'll keep plugging away at it. I'd like to do a demo of it at some point, just bring everybody on board and show them what a free hardware-based AI is capable of. But we'll get that scheduled out here soon. So let's get our daily salute going. I do morning daily salute for all of the small business owners. I salute you, appreciate you, especially our clients whom this news show is built for, and all of the employees that work for my clients. And I love you all. I appreciate you. Let's get into the news. Top story today. This is a big one. The FCC bans all new foreign-made routers, or routers for those of you who know me from way back when. So what does that mean? Well, strange. It's a strange thing to do because, from what I know, every router was built overseas. I don't know a single one that was made in the United States. So, what is that? What are we going to do? I don't know. I think we're fully capable of doing it, and I think we should do it. And really, with this, I think the bigger thing here is for my clients. We buy all FortiGate and Ubiquity products depending on your security needs, and the FortiGates are as secure as you can get. Banks use them. The Ubiquities probably not as well, definitely not as secure as the FortiGate. Their price point is much lower, so we don't expect them to provide that same level of security. Where this is going to hit hardest is on your network for your home. You're going to end up purchasing a more expensive piece of equipment, but the reason for this is that these devices have got problems built right into them. The foreign governments, the Chinese specifically, have no compulsion. There's no problem with building backdoors in, and they could cause chaos, right? They could steal money. They can, with a router, you can cause a lot of chaos for a person. Man-in-the-middle attacks, grabbing confidential information as it passes through it. So it's a big deal to not just have a good router for your business, but to have one for your home. And then for all of us who work from home, whether it be full-time or part-time, it's a big deal. Can't just be passing secure business information over an insecure home router. So Yeah, 71% of US households get their routers from ISPs, and nearly all consumer routers are manufactured overseas. Those ISP routers are garbage, just so you know. They don't, when you pay for your 40, 50, 60, $100 a month to get on the internet, that does not include security. there's no security in the $100 a month or even $50 a month, but even the $100 a month service that you get from Spectrum or whoever, Comcast. It's not there. And if you think it's there, and if they tell you it's there, they're lying. It costs more than that. I know. That's what I do for a living. So if you do work from home and you do want to be secure, you should have your own router. Keep it up to date so you can be protected. Protect yourself, your kids. News article number 2. Open source Python tool exploited within 10 hours of bug disclosure. 10 hours. So we expose the bug, disclose the bug, and within 10 hours there's a tool to exploit that bug. That's what's good about open source, though, is it does get patched very quickly. It probably was patched within the 5 hours of the bug being announced. So better than, I would say, Microsoft, better than most paid for software, but not perfect. So, quickly patching. So this is one of the recurring themes of this show. Reboot your computer, or not, leave your computer on overnight so that it can reboot. um, right now, I could look at our dashboard and see hundreds of computers that need patches, and it's not because we haven't patched them, it's because they require a reboot in order for the patch to install. So I guess you could say reboot your computer, reboot it each night, let it install the patches, leave it running so that our patching software can install it. So yeah, we're just going to keep saying that, and sooner or later somebody will listen, and we'll, one at a time, get everybody's computers protected with patching by leaving them on or rebooting them. And rebooting doesn't mean closing the lid on your laptop. That's for sure. It's an actual reboot. Article number 3, Microsoft slashes Windows 365 cloud PC prices 20% for small businesses. So we dabbled with this product. Slow, hard to configure, hasn't been great, expensive, extremely expensive, and not a great replacement for just spending, $1,200 on a computer and having it last 5 years and not having to pay for it monthly for the rest of your life. A 20% price drop may help, and we'll definitely take a look at it for you guys. And I do like the idea of these cloud PCs. I would definitely be happy to use it where I can just get any cruddy little piece of equipment from any computers, like from Costco to Sam's Club, and have enterprise level software or enterprise level stuff in the software side. But it's just been too expensive, too slow, not anything my customers would want to use, because I wouldn't want to use it. So yeah, we could get rid of the on-premise workstation software. That'd be nice. And Microsoft's making it more affordable. They need to. It doesn't make any sense from a business perspective. Number 4, 65% of businesses under 100 employees will use AI automation in 2027. So this does kind of pop into what I'm working on. We're going to be trying to build out a lot of automations using AI here at ACS, intelligently fixing problems without having to use employees. It's things that are, well, I like to describe as any monkey could do it. It's click here, click there. It's the same process over and over. Those do exist quite a bit in my world. And so I really want to investigate this, and then I'm going to show you guys how I did it. And we're going to work together, and I'm going to, if there's things that you do every day that are, a monkey could do, that just click, 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 no thinking involved, and dang it, let's get some automations going. And we'll use our trusty old Open Llama hardware-based AI to do it if we can, save costs on the AI costs, or keep it protected from going on the web, or we'll use Grok or Claude or whoever to do the work. So what I would tell you, though, the thing that is driving me on this is, I would say that the competitive advantage that comes from it is going to affect you at some point. And so let's work together and get this thing going so everybody has it and all my customers use it and life is good. Oh, we have an extra story today. Oh, cool. It's from my manufacturers. The Hannover Messe 2026 manufacturing show, Siemens is putting this out, has AI as the centerpiece, a major exhibit on AI-driven digital manufacturing. If a manufacturing shop isn't using AI for big players, it's not, well, AI isn't for big players is what they're saying. And truly, it's getting there. When you can plug a camera in, feed it up to Grok or whoever, have it look at the image, see what's going on, tell you if you're having quality issues, potentially, I don't know. If you have repeating tasks that anybody can do, just the digital-like tasks, AI is good for that. What's one process on your shop floor that's still entirely manual? That's the question the article is asking, and that's the question Siemens is asking. Quality inspection, scheduling, inventory. AI is coming for those tasks. I think so. I've seen it. Just not happy about it myself, but hey, what are we going to do? Quick hits. SharePoint 2013 workflows is dead this month. So if your workflows aren't working in your SharePoint 2013, well, yeah, A, let's upgrade you from 2013, and B, it's moved to Power Automate. So it's a whole new tool. Tech layoffs, there was 78,500 plus tech layoffs attributed so far in 2026. 48% of those come from AI-driven automation. Some of those will come back. AIs are good, but they're not that good for a lot of things. Copilot chat lockout. We've been talking about that. Your Copilot chat's going to stop functioning day after tomorrow unless you purchase a license. And be aware, the hacktivists, those do-gooders out there that like to destroy things in order to, I don't know, protect things. They're out there destroying people's lives by hacking into stuff, public-facing web sites, their firewalls and applications, because they're not happy about something that's going on out in the world, and so they figure you are responsible for it. So be aware of that. Keep your eyes open. It's getting crazy out there. And that's our show, guys. I appreciate all of you. We will be back here tomorrow. And that's it. Have a good day. Talk to everybody soon. Goodbye.